Oxygen family group 16 element in which element is oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Electron affinity: sulfur is higher, then selenium, then tellurium, then polonium and then oxygen. हम बात करेंगे एसिडिटी of particular metal hydride is down the group increase, and thermal stability down the group decrease. Hydride stability is decrease. All elements except selenium form a monohalide, M2X2 dimer, H2Cl2, H2Br2, H2F2. Selenium dichloride undergoes a disproportionation reaction that form a silicon tetrachloride plus silicon. SF6 is formed but OF6 not, due to oxygen not have a d orbital. That's why OF6 is not formed. SF4 hydrolysis but SF6 not, because SF4 has sp3 hybridization and SF6 has sp3d2 hybridization. In sp3d hybridization, vacant d orbital is present, but in SF6 hybridization sp3d2 no vacant d orbital at sterically hindrance. Hence chemically inert. Oxygen compound: potassium nitrate, sodium nitrate, silver nitrate, copper nitrate. When we heat it, they form oxygen. In particular, metal nitrate, NaNO2, KNO2, EgNO2, copper oxide. Sodium oxide cannot decompose. Copper oxide decompose into cuprous oxide, Cu2O plus O2. Silver oxide, Ag2O, when decomposed it give silver plus O2. Then volume strength of H2O2, decomposition of the H2O2 give water plus oxygen. 1 ml H2O2 is equal to 10 ml of O2 at STP, and 1 liter of H2O2 is equal to 10 liter of O2 at STP. Acidic: non-metal oxide are acidic, CO2, SO2, NO2, SO3. Metal oxide are in basic, Na2O, K2O, CO, CO. Amphoteric: those lie between metal and non-metal, Al2O3, Ge2O3. Neutral: non-metallic oxide in lower oxidation state, CO, H2O, N2O, NO. N2 and NO are neutral. NO2, N2O3 and N2O5 are in acidic, high oxidation state. When central atom oxidation state increase, acidity also increase. Here manganese plus 2, manganese plus 3 and manganese plus 7. Oxidation state increase, that form basic to acid. M plus 2 is basic, plus 3 is neutral, and plus 7 is acidic. O2 is paramagnetic nature, K2O is a oxide, K2O2 is peroxide, and KO2 is a superoxide. Here the stability, here the bond order of oxide is 2, peroxide is 1 and superoxide is 1.5. So the stability of the compound is oxide is more stable, then superoxide, then peroxide. Ozone is a band structure, sp2, bond order 1.5, silent electric discharge spark. Then O2 is converted into ozone. Here we discuss about oxidizing agent or a nascent oxygen. Lead sulfur PbS react with ozone, form lead sulfate plus oxygen. Here estimation of the iodine, also the estimation of ozone, quantitative estimation of the ozone done by iodide ion, react with ozone, they form iodine. This further react with starch and give a blue color. Ozone react with non-metal iodine P4, a sulfur, then form oxoacid HiO3, H3PO4, H2SO4. Test with unsaturation. Ozone reacted unsaturated compound from ozonide. Nitric oxide, supersonic jet plane. NO react with O3 from NO2 plus O2. O3 estimation in quantitatively O3 plus 2I minus plus H2, I2 plus 2OH minus plus O2, I2 plus Na2H2O3, Na2S4O6 plus NaI. Sulfur have two types, rhombic sulfur and monoclinic sulfur. Rhombic sulfur is called alpha sulfur and monoclinic sulfur is called beta sulfur. Rhombic to monoclinic conversion when temperature is greater than 369. This is an equilibrium when temperature is less than 369. Then monoclinic sulfur is directly converted into rhombic sulfur. Transition temperature is then 369 Kelvin temperature is called a transition temperature. At room temperature is alpha sulfur more stable. Both are soluble in carbon disulfide. There are two forms S6SA. One is a chair form and another is a crown. At high temperature, diamagnetic S2, which is paramagnetic compound of the sulfur H2S, iron sulfide react with H2SO4, form a iron sulfate plus H2S. Colorless gas, poisonous, rotten egg smell, burn in air, blue color. H2S react with oxygen from H2O plus SO2, reducing agent. H2S we have as a reducing agent. FeCl3 is a plus 3 oxidation state which convert into plus 2 FeCl2. Sulfur is formed colloidal sulfur. White turbidity is observed, but in this apple green solution is observed. Peroxide H2O2 plus H2S from H2O plus sulfur. Purple MnO4 KMnO4 react with H2S, purple color. Then formation of manganese plus 2 decolorized H2O plus sulfur. Diabasic nature H2S, they form H plus HS minus, equilibrium constant K1. Then HS minus further decompose into H plus in S minus 2, equilibrium constant K2. Buffer of H2S, weak acid H2S plus salt of weak acid and strong base NaHS. Action on salt with acid and basic medium. Group 2 NH4OH HCl in presence of H2S gas. NH4OH plus HCl and H2S gas. Why NH4OH and HCl is used, I will explain later. 2A group which soluble in ammonium sulfate NH4 twice S, and 2B group which is insoluble in ammonium sulfate NH4 twice S. Sulfide PPT in acidic medium. Sulfide PPT in acidic medium form a mercury sulfide, Pb sulfide, copper sulfide, bismuth Bi2S3 in 2A group in a black color. In a cadmium CdS is yellow, tin sulfide SNS2 SNS blue, antimony Sb2S3 orange, arsenic As2S3 is yellow and is 2B group. Group 2 KSP low and group 3 KSP is high. H2S further give 2H plus plus S minus 2, addition of NH4Cl, NH4 acid HCl, addition of NH4Cl HCl. So reverse reaction, so H2 minus concentration is low, so group 2 have low KSP value and easily detected by PPT. Addition of base, water removed, equilibrium shift toward the forward direction in S minus 2 ion, concentration increase and KSP increase. sulfide with PPT in basic medium, black COS, NIS, FES, ZNS is white, MNS manganese sulfate is a pink. Structure H2S structure is H2S is a sp3 hybridization. SS two unpaired electron युग्म. Sulfur dioxide SO2. Sulfur react with oxygen form sulfur dioxide, sodium sulfate, Na2SO3 plus dilute HCl. Then it's form NaCl plus H2 plus SO2, NaHSO3 plus dilute HCl from NaCa, form NaCl plus H2O plus SO2. Roasting. Iron sulfide FeS2 react with HO2, then is form SO2 plus Fe2O3. Colorless pungent smell. SO2 is the colorless pungent smell, suffocating. SO2 plus H2O, then from H2SO3, SO2 plus NaOH from NaHSO3, SO3 NaOH, then Na2SO3 plus H2. SO2 gas pass through lime water, they turn a milky solution. SO2 gas pass through a lime water, they turn a milky solution. SO2 plus Cl2, then it's SO2Cl2. Reducing nature itself get converted in H2SO4. Iron plus 3 plus SO2 plus H2O, then reducing nature Fe plus 2 plus H2SO4, IO3 minus, then it's converted into I2, MnO4 minus, then converted into Mn plus 2, Cr2O72 plus, then it's converted to Cr plus 3. Structure sp2, angular shape 119 degree, 119.5 degree Celsius, 5 degree. SO2 from p-pi and p-pi d-pi bond. Here is the SO3. sp2. Here 2 p-pi d-pi and 1 p-pi bond. Gases are planar. SO3 molecule solid trimer. H2SO4. Sulfurous acid H2SO3. Oxidation give H2SO4. H double bond O OH. Disulfurous acid H2H2O5. H double bond O OH, H double bond O OH. Here sulfur is one is plus 5 and one other is plus 3. H2H2O4. This is the S double bond O H2H2O4 मतलब कि S डबल बॉन्ड OH, S डबल बॉन्ड OH. H2H2O2 ortho sulfurous acid, S double bond S OH. H2H2O3, S double bond S, H2H2O3, S double bond S double bond OH, thiosulfuric acid. Kerose acid H2SO5, peroxo monosulfuric acid, S double bond O, S double bond O OH. Here is the plus 6 oxidation state, and O2 minus is a peroxide. Another is a Marshall acid H2H2O8, peroxo disulfuric acid, S double bond O OH, O S double bond O OH, O2 minus 2. Here H2SO 2 time H2SO4 minus hydrogen, then formation of H2S2 8, Marshall acid, H2S2 8, oleum, H2S2O7, pyrosulfuric acid, 2 time H2SO4 minus H2S2O7, then S double bond O OH, O S double bond O OH, H2S2O6, dithionic acid, H2SO4 minus H2O2, then H2S2O6, S double bond O OH, S double bond O OH, polythionic acid, H2S2 plus N O6, OH, S double bond O S time S N time plus S double bond O OH, H2SO4 soluble in water, exothermic dissolution in water, contact process. In a contact process, sulfur oxide SO2 react with oxygen from B2O5 in presence of B2O5 or K2O, high pressure thermal reaction, then form SO3. Further react with water, they form H2SO4 plus SO3, fuming H2SO4, H2S2O7. Then this react with water, they form H2SO4. Strong diabazic acid, H2SO4 formation HSO4 minus plus H plus, HSO4 minus, further SO4 2 minus plus H plus, dehydrating agent, C6H12O6 react with H plus, forms 6 carbon plus 6 water. The oxidizing agent, lead react with H2SO4, form a lead sulfate plus H2, zinc plus H2SO4 form Zn sulfate ZnSO4 plus hydrogen, carbon plus H2SO4 form carbon dioxide plus SO2 plus H2O, copper plus H2SO4 copper sulfate plus SO2 plus H2O, potassium iodide plus H2SO4 form K2SO4 plus SO2 plus I2 plus H2O. A in NaBr and manganese oxide form a B, brown gas concentrate HNO3, then C intermediate, C further react with toluene give D, A, then A is a concentrate H2SO4 react with NaBr and manganese oxide form a bromine, concentrate H2SO4 react with HNO3 form a NO2 plus. This NO2 plus react with toluene form TNT, explosive material. Vacuum process in which H2SO3 react with H2 ice cooled H2S2O2 plus H2O ice cooled H2SO3 H2S4O6 plus H2O. Kerose acid is H2SO4 plus oxygen, H2SO4 plus H2SO5 is a kerose acid. Peroxomonosulfuric acid, Marshall acid, in which 2 time H2SO4 minus hydrogen means H2S2O8 minus hydrogen, then it's called Marshall acid. Peroxo disulfuric acid, oleum, H2S2O7 2 time H2SO4 minus water, pyrosulfuric acid. Then dithionic acid, 2 time H2SO4 minus H2O2, then it's called a dithionic acid.